Watch, watch, watch. Always water splash.
We are back with a new video with Master Dharun and Nanu. Hi Dharun.
Hi, my name is Dharun. I am in Bowen School. I like this. I like this and this.
Oh, you like each and every card. Okay, today we are going to wait.
Like.
So we are going to do a water splash today, and
Yes.
Master Dharun will execute this. Nanu will also help us in this.
Hello, my brother likes this car.
Oh, but that's a dummy car.
Yeah, I like this and this and this and this.
You like almost each and every car.
This and this and this.
Out of all these cars, this is a very different car. This tires have radium and this glows in the dark. Okay, Dharun. And I like this car the most, and I like Volkswagen Beetle and Hot Wheels, but that's not here in this collection.
This jump, this water.
Wait, Dharun, wait. Now Nanu will jump into this pool. Come on, Nanu.
This will jump.
Ah, that's cool. Super, Nano. Now let's start the Hot Wheels water splash. Okay.
Yes. It jump.
Yes. Oh. Okay. Okay, come on. Let's start the Hot Wheels water splash. Now we are going to start with this wave card.
This is not wave car.
Huh?
This is a wave car.
Then what is this car known as?
Blue laser car.
Okay, let's start with the blue laser car.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Wait.
Oh.
Come on, Dharun. Next card for the water splash, please.
This jump the water car.
Oh, this went a long distance. What car is this? Come on, let's check what car is this.
Car.
Oh, carrier car went this much. Super, Dharun. Okay.
Rocket chica. This is.
Oh, this is the dummy car and Nanu's favorite car. Come on, next car for the race, please.
Trickle.
Oh, this went a very long distance.
It's airplane.
This is a Formula 1 car and it proved it so.
Yeah, this goes upside. I cannot believe it. It's upside flying the aeroplanes. Whoa, no. Fall down. Ew. Water splash. Water splash. Great.
We had almost 11 cars,
Yeah.
out of which the carrier car traveled the fastest.
Whoa.
Oh, this is
a
a alien car and this went only a small distance.
yes.
Chimchai.
one car.
Okay.
Its jump is
Thanks for watching this video, and we will be back with a new video, and please do like us.